One effective rehab tool I recommend to all my patients is going to be a foam roller. So a foam roller is basically a way to help loosen up tight muscles. You can roll up and down your spine. You can roll on the muscles. It will help to loosen up any tight spots and release any trigger points. Now they come in different sizes. So this one's 36 inches. This one's about 12 inches. What I would recommend if you're just starting off is get a 36-inch roller. They come in different firmness. So they have a white, a blue, or a black. I typically recommend patients get a black one because it'll last longer and it's firmer, so they'll get in deeper into the muscles. I'll link to the product below. You can purchase these on Amazon. This is just an Amazon basic one. That's all you need. There are some fancy ones out there that vibrate, that have knobs on it. But if you're just starting off, just get one of these smooth rollers and they work really well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how you use a foam roller. So one effective way you can use a foam roller is for loosening up your mid-back. So a lot of times if you're really tight from a forward posture, this is a great rehab tool to work on your posture and help to strengthen and loosen up the muscles in your upper body. So what she's going to do is she's going to pin this foam roller in right around her mid-spine, and this is going to be perpendicular to her spine, and she's just going to roll up and down the spine and find any of these tender areas and work it back and forth. Again, 10 to 15 repetitions. A lot of times you'll hear a couple pops and clicks, and that's just a release of the tight joint. And that's, you can just go up and down along the spine, and this is a great way to help stretch them out. What she can also do if she has a tight spot or like a hinge point that's really stiff, she can also just extend back and go forward and extend back, and that'll help out that joint at that location and work on the mobility there. So I highly recommend you pick up a foam roller. We can use it for our quads, our glutes. Let's just show you how to use it for, like, say, your glute muscle here. So again, what she's going to do is she's going to slide that foam roller down. And again, it doesn't take long. You can transition to multiple different stretches quickly. And she's going to use her leg and her upper body just to kind of control herself on the roller. And this is a great way to get into the glute area. Again, quads, hamstrings, lower body. I like this a lot. And they're very inexpensive ways to help rehab your body.